If you overthink what to say on a video, this will change everything for you. You sit down to record and suddenly your mind goes blank. Does this resonate? Great videos are not about sounding smart. They are really about following a simple formula that naturally leads to sales. And I teach coaches on the plug and play video script that eliminates overthinking and sells effortlessly. And honestly, videos to clients framework where you lead with value, you impact through your videos, you build the direct connection, you speak to the emotions of people, and you present an offer has been working seamlessly well for us over and over again. And if you really want to understand how you can incorporate the same without going blank, without understanding what to say, how to say, then book a call with me, because I have opened 3 spots where I will reveal my secret framework, and this is going to help you skyrocket your business, sign up clients, and generate consistent income. What are you waiting for? Comment down below video and I will reach out to you.